The average family spends about $24,000 a year for 4 on food. Guess what? How about you get a set of torpedo pots that feed your family for the rest of your life? How about that? This torpedo pot doesn't grow your plants. It really grows the soil. It remediates the soil for you. It's the soil that grows the plant. Torpedo pot encourages good growth, whether it be bacteria or fungi, anything that opposing and attacks your plant. The planter is designed to try to eliminate all of that, so you can grow what you want when you want it. The proof is in the pudding. I want you to find one bad strawberry in the batch. And I'm not even looking at them. I'm gonna let you make the judge. Is there a bad strawberry inside of that batch? So when I tell you that we grow perfect food, I'm not playing. We grow perfect food all of the time. This is our strawberry series. As you can see, this one planter is on its way to yield. We estimate maybe approximately 800 strawberries out of this planter from the top and the bottom, and it's got a lot of plants in here. So we just threw either seeds or seedlings into the small little perch holes, and the pot waters them all by themselves, okay? All of the time. If you follow our directions, we will lead you into an era of agriculture that you've never seen before. Torpedo pot is a self-growing planting system that grows your food for you with you not having to be there. And it does a perfectly good job of putting food on the table for you and your family. Think about it, science. You can understand what you need to grow, what grows your food, and what you don't need to put in your food to eat. And lastly, what you need to do to put food which affects your wallet, your budget, on your table. I grow all of my food. I can eat home anytime I want to. You can hook up over 100 planters. And if this one is producing 100 to 150 strawberries, and it has tentacles that goes out that can produce close to 1,000 strawberries, you'll never have to worry about food again. I don't have to replant this strawberry ever again. It grows over. You see how strong and beautiful this thing is? It wants to take off and grow. These are self-growing planters. All we do is turn that knob right there, and it grew in this planter, I would say, over 60 strawberries. And so I'm about to harvest some more strawberries from this planter. And I'm gonna tell you something. They're beautiful. They're absolutely stunning. And so Torpedo Pot has been growing this without my intervention now for 2 years. The second year in this planter. And it's ready to burst out the seams and take off again. I'm estimating I could probably do about 500, 700 strawberries on this, and they're so hidden. And they're beautiful. And it's just clustered all over the place. This one planter, we did 100 strawberries. From this alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's about 20 in this cluster right here. Gosh, that is absolutely stunning. That's Torpedo Pot, guys. And look at the life buzzing around. The little insects trying to get to the flowers and make sense of life. Isn't that beautiful? Well, they bring birds back. They restore your environment. Guys, these are torpedo pots. They grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and I want you to see what happens, dude.